Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix we're having trouble making sure it's you PayPal error. Alright, so let's begin. So, in order to fix the we are having trouble making sure it's you PayPal error, you have to follow these steps. First, open the PayPal website on your PC using your browser. One common reason for this issue is cached data stored in your browser. So the first thing you should do is clear your browser cache. To do this, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser and go to Settings. Inside Settings, open Privacy and Security. From there, select Delete Browsing Data. When the menu appears, check all the available boxes, including browsing history, cookies, and cached images. After selecting everything, click Clear Data or Delete Data and confirm the action. Once the process is finished, go back to the PayPal website and try logging in again to see if the issue has been resolved. If the problem is still there, the second solution you can try is turning off your VPN. PayPal sometimes blocks login attempts if it detects a VPN or unusual location. To do this, click on your VPN extension icon at the top right side of your browser and make sure the VPN is turned off. After disabling it, refresh the PayPal page and try signing in again to check if the error is gone. The third method you can try is simply waiting for a few hours before trying again. Sometimes PayPal temporarily blocks login attempts if there are too many tries or if the system detects unusual activity. Waiting a few hours allows the security system to reset and then you can try logging in again, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix we're having trouble making sure it's you PayPal error. So that's all for this video.